Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get TikTok repost button back. So, did your TikTok repost button disappear? You don't need to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix it fast and bring the repost feature back on TikTok with the latest update. So the repost button might not be showing due to TikTok removing or testing features. Your app is outdated or regional restrictions, or maybe the account settings changes. So how you can fix it? First method, you can just update your TikTok app because older versions may have bugs that hide the repost button. So what you need to do is just open the Google Play Store or App Store and then search for TikTok. And if you see update in here, then you can just tap on update. The second method, you can enable the repost feature. So you can go to your TikTok profile and then tap on the three lines icon at the top. Go to the settings and privacy. And now you can just look for the report settings and turn it on. So if it's disabled, the button won't show. So you need to make sure that it is on. And the third method, check your app For You page because the repost button can only appears on the FYP, this one For You. So if you are trying to repost from the profile page or the following tab, it won't work. And the next method, you need to clear the cache and restart TikToks because this will refresh your apps and might bring back the repost button. So you can just go to your profile again and tap on the three lines icon, settings and privacy. Scroll down until you find the options to free up space. Now just tap on clear and on the cache options. And the next method, you can also try to just uninstall TikTok first from your phone, and after that restart your phone and reinstall TikTok and log in again. So if none of the previous solutions works on your problem, you can just try to contact the TikTok support team by again going to the settings and privacy, scroll down, and here report a problem. So that's pretty much all. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.